Hello learners. Starting with the new Tutorial Web Development Simplified course. Let us start with the very first step of setting up the environment where we will be practicing the concepts we will learn. Before starting the installation part, I would like to briefly explain what is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. An Integrated Development Environment, IDE, is a software application that helps programmers develop software code efficiently, and it makes easier to code in an IDE. For this course we will go with the very famous and mostly used IDE, which is VS Code. So, let's start with the installation. For installation you just have to go to your browser and type VS Code. When the result appears, click on the first link. Now click on the download button show. Then as per your device's operating system you have to click on download button of the Visual Studio Code software. Wait for a while till the download is over. Now as your download is completely done, click on the downloaded file to install the software on your system. Follow the same process as shown. You may read the options for your convenience. After all options are covered, leave the software to install on your system. As soon as the file is installed, click on the Finish button and congratulations, your IDE software is installed on your system. Now as our coding environment is ready, we will return with very first tutorial. Till then, share this playlist with your friends and subscribe to our channel so that you should not miss any update. Also do not forget to share your valuable advice and comments. Link for this playlist is in the description box. Thank you.